Second, as Laporte, recruited from the English treble winners Manchester City, and Ronaldo. You can hear the decibel level go up as the number 7 goes up through the gears. Ronaldo's on the move, off the shoulder. Lopez away. 60 million euros to bring him from Porto. An ever-present since his arrival in the Saudi Pro League side. Ronaldo, who always starts and very rarely misses a minute. Al-Haidari constructs his wall. Ronaldo.
Al-Haidari had a long time to look at it, got his body in a really good position, got himself behind the ball and gathered it easily.
Significantly closer a few moments ago. Is he going to bring out the knuckleball here? Clipped in by Ronaldo and retrieved. Now Brozovic. The turn from Ronaldo was too smart. Yellow card for Said Al-Hamsa.
He's on his left-hand side. There is space to move into.
By the yellow wall that had been constructed on the edge of the Al-Khalij box. It's not there now, this wall. Ronaldo is. Oh, Ronaldo!
Absolutely sensational from Cristiano Ronaldo. As he gets it here, I don't think he's going to hit it, but he's trying to work a little bit more space. A couple of little fakes just gives him the opportunity to get it onto that right foot. And when he does that, no backlift, movement on the ball, strikes it so true, takes the spin off it, right into the corner of the goal. A terrific hit from Cristiano Ronaldo. Hasn't been in the game, but it's moments like this, world-class finishing. Wonderful hit. Said he did ever so well to work that space, but then once he gets into this, so much work to do. And the way he does it with so little backlift. When you strike the ball like that and you don't put any spin on it, so it's not curling towards the goalkeeper, it's not curling away from the goal, it just starts to move in the air. And once it was aiming for that far corner, it did not move off it. A wonderful hit from Cristiano Ronaldo.
His 12th goal in the Saudi Pro League in his 11th match this season. That's why they still flock to see him. That's why he still has this magnetic quality at the age of 38. And as far as quality goes, that one is right up there. Al Park. Just about held off, it's Ronaldo, blocked by Lopez. Gave about the approach from Al-Khalij. They'll know that as well from their experiences so far this season. Both their wins in the Saudi Pro League have come away from home. One of those at Al-Shabaab. In September, they had to come from behind. Ended up winning 3-1. Tall order to do that here, but plenty of time in which to do it. An hour of football to play. Ronaldo picked up by Laporte. Mane fell over.
Grabbed the ball in embarrassment there, Sadio Mane. That's it, just right. The offside flag and the crossbar saving Al Nassr.
Ronaldo, Brozovic. Ronaldo. Ronaldo. Lopez read his intention. That's bring it back for Ronaldo. Where it was really all about one man, it usually is. Another fabulous goal from Cristiano Ronaldo. That's the difference between the two sides. So the half-time score at the Awal Park is Al Nassr 1, Al Khalij 0 from Cristiano Ronaldo. Created by himself and scored. Side when it's mattered and when they have created chances. But with the scoreline only one goal to the good in the favour of the home side, they will fancy that they might be able to at least get themselves back into this game. It's so important that they don't concede another goal. They've only scored more than one goal, Al Khalij, in just one of their Saudi Pro League matches so far this season. Ronaldo.
Get back in their shape. Both teams looking a little bit tired. Just need to spark a little bit of intensity into the way they're going to play to try and break Al Khalij down.
A regular starter in the midfield area. Ramsey preferred to him tonight. That's for the moment. This is for now. In by Telles. And touch time by Aymeric Laporte for his first Saudi Pro League goal. He won't get many simpler than that. He hopes tonight.
Al Khalij have really struggled to defend set pieces in recent weeks. It's Cristiano Ronaldo just finding some space at the back post, remains composed, solid side foot cross back across the face of the Al Khalij goal, and Aymeric Laporte gratefully accepts the gift that Ronaldo has put on a plate for him, taps it home for his first league goal of the season. And you think now with the tiring Al Khalij legs, that'll be enough for Al Nassr to comfortably see this game out. Arm and hand work from Laporte in the celebration.
And as you've touched on already, his all-round play was good. Ronaldo from Brozovic. Otavio. Ronaldo. Wants to get in the end of this one. He went near post, the ball went far, and it's behind for an Al Nassr corner. Brozovic. Otavio. Ronaldo. A swivel and a hit. Just to clarify the other substitution, Hamad Al-Abdan will come in and anchor the midfield. Hassan, Ronaldo. They'll gobble it through to Mane.
Hassan showed a lot of desire.
Now Ivo Rodriguez. And Ronaldo.
Starting to really put together a good run of results. Just important they keep those forward players fit and available. They're playing a lot of football at the moment.
Every time they were entertaining thoughts of putting up a proper challenge, and Cristiano Ronaldo had an intervention, whether it be that. Another full-time whistle and another win and another super show from Cristiano Ronaldo. It's